This is how to set up EPOS thermal printer Echo 250 on the Ethernet. Check the network setting of the host computer using IP config for Windows. Here you can see the host IP is 192.168.1.54 and the gateway is 192.168.1.1 and all have a net mask of 255.255.255.0. We'll need the printer to be in the same network as the host computer for LAN cable installation to work. Back to the printer, connect the printer to the host PC via USB and to the host PC network via a LAN cable. Power on the printer. Check if the LAN port lights are blinking. If yes, then the LAN cable is in good condition. Print a self-test page by powering on the printer while holding feed button for 3 to 4 seconds. Check the default network and MAC address from the printout. Here, the printer default IP is 192.168.1.87. The network mask is 255.255.255.00 and the gateway is 192.168.1.1. Since the default network settings are in the host PC network, I could proceed with setting the IP on the driver, but I will demonstrate how to change the IP address of the EPOS thermal printer using the printer tool. Navigate to the location of the printer tool zip folder and unzip it to a folder. Open the printer tool folder and double click on the printer tool.exe to run the printer tool. On Windows protected your PC screen, click on More Info and Run Anyway. Here, set communication with the printer to USB, then click on Set Printer. If presented with this window security alert, click on Allow Access. On the Set Printer pop-up, click on Ethernet tab. Change the IP address to the IP address you have allocated for the printer on your network. In my case, it is 192.168.1.235. Adjust the subnet mask and gateway to match your network settings, the ones you got on the IP config command. Set the MAC address value as per the self-test printout. Click on Set on IP section to change the IP address of the printer. Click OK on the Success Set Success pop-up. The printer prints the new IP, as you can see here. The change in IP can also be verified by doing a new self-test. Now, to anchor the connection to the new printer via IP address, navigate to the Computer Devices and Printers menu on the control panel. Right-click on the EPOS printer drivers, the ones we installed on USB. Having a challenge here, you can refer to the installation on the USB video. Click on Printer Properties. Click on the Ports tab. Click on Add Port, then click on Standard TCP IP port on the Show Up List menu. Click on the new port. Click on Next. Here, key in the IP set on the printer under the printer name or IP address. Click on Next. Allow for the TCP port detection to complete. With the standard set to generic network card, click on Next. Click on Finish to complete port switching. Click on Close on the printer ports pop-up. Here, click on Apply, then OK to exit the Properties wizard. To test the setup, remove the USB cable from the printer or your PC. Ensure your PC is connected to the same network as the printer. On the computer devices and printers, right-click on the EPOS printer driver, then click on Properties. Click on Print Test Page to print Windows Test Page. If Windows Test Page is printed, then installation is successful.